This conference will now be recorded.
So today I'm going to discuss about complete string data structures and its operations. So in the previous sessions we discussed about what is string, how to create string. Okay, string is mutable or immutable. So these kind of just basics of string I discussed. Now today I'll discuss about complete string and its operations. What kind of operations we can perform on string data structure. So first let me show you these kind of operations we can perform on string data structure. These are string data structure operations. See here, what is string? String is a group of characters or sequence of characters. Different ways to create a string. String can be created by using single quote or double quote or triple quotes. Generally, multi-line string or document string can be created using triple quotes, but string can be created single quote or double quotes. String indexing and string slicing. Yes, what is string indexing? What is string slicing? I'll tell you. But before that, strictly remember string is immutable. Immutable nature is nothing but we cannot modify the string. It cannot be changeable. Okay, changeable is changing is not possible string directly. If you want to change, we can change, but that can be stored in other variable. Then only it is possible. And string is immutable means we cannot modify once we create. And mutable in the sense we can modify that. Changeable is changing is possible. Mutable nature data structure. So other data structures will have some mutable nature. I will discuss later. But right now string is immutable. We cannot modify once we create. Okay. So we'll start with today string indexing and string slicing. What is an indexing? Simple. You have a string that is group of characters. If you want to retrieve some values or some characters from the string, then indexing is possible. So index in the sense zero based index. So string is a zero based index. Okay, it starts from zero. Now string can support positive index and negative index. Like positive index means from left to right, negative index means from right to left. So you can use any index to retrieve the data from the string. We can use any index. For example, here I'm writing some string here. Just wait. So my string characters are these: D U R G A S, Durgas. Now positive index is this one. Positive index. Negative index here. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So negative index is this one. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. So this is -6, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. So these are the indexing with string. So let's prepare the string with our program. S equals to DURGS Turkas. As it is, I want to print S print S of 0. S of 0 in the sense 0 index what was there? D is there. Or else it work -6 also, both possible. So I'm giving 0, S of 0 in the sense 0 index values is going to be D. Or else you can use -6, it's work out. D only. Minus 4, this is what? Like this. Minus 4 in the sense R. In the result set, R is there. So like this is string. What happens are if I'm giving 6 index. Do you have any 6 index? Now you can see index error. String index out of the range. We don't have any 6 index, no? So that's what it is not possible. So for example, minus 1 in the sense last one will be there. Last one. Last character from right hand side to left hand side, you will read minus 1 is like S only. This is called string indexing. To retrieve the data to get the element from the string, then we can use indexing option here we are using. Next, string slicing. No, slicing in the sense we can get some part of the string. Yes, so we can get some part of the string in a sense. Suppose I want to get from index 1 to index 4 the characters I want to get. That is called string slicing. So index purpose we are using square bracket, that is index operator, and slice purpose we use like this slice operator. This is slice operator. So I want to start from 1 and ends with 5. So S of 1 colon 5. That means 1 index onwards it starts. So what is 1 index here? 0, 1. 1 index is this is U. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 have given no. That means up to 5, not including 5. So that means up to 5 means 1 will come, 2, 3, 4. That means U or GA is our output. So in this case, 5 is there, no? Up to 5 characters, up to 5 index, not directly including 5 is not possible. U or GA. Sir, I want to read all those things, everything. For example, 1 to 6 I'm giving. 1 to 6 means it is not correct. It is not index out of range. Why? Because up to 6 only. If you include 6, then it is index out of. For example, 1 to 7 I'm giving. So now you can see this time. So you are GAs. So it is, we have started with one index. We have ended with any index, no matter. Whatever the string is available, up to there it will be read. Remaining thing it will not read. Only the particular index cases, if you want to read the element, you can read in proper index. If you are giving other index, out of index range will come. But in the slice, between one index is required, then it is okay. Up to 7 means 7 index is not there. Up to whatever the last element is there, that element will be read. URGAS like this. Up to, if I'm giving 0 to 4 in the sense, 4 in the sense. So 0 to 4 in the sense DURG, DURG, 0 to 4, DURG. 4 is not included, up to 4 only. This is what are string indexing and string slicing. And most important, you can see, so minus through you can go, negative index is possible to work with string slicing. Yes. So minus 4 colon minus 1, minus 4 colon minus 1. So minus 4 colon minus 1 is then minus 4 minus 1. So RGAS, RGAS. So is it possible RGAS? No. You can see RGAS is not possible. RGA, sorry, it is possible undoubtedly, because why? Minus 4 is small, minus 1 is highest. Now this is not possible. You can see this. Minus 1 colon minus 4, minus 1 colon minus 4. Why minus 1 colon minus 4 is not support? Now you can see Durga's only coming. Result is not showing because it is backward direction. So backward direction means here minus 1 to minus 4. Actually minus 1 is the highest value. Minus 4 is the lowest value. It is not work out. Okay. So forward direction you can say minus 4 to minus 1 here. So this is what string slicing. We can read the group of elements from the string by using indexing, and we can read some part of the string then by using slice operator. So string indexing, string slicing is what is the main role of indexing in my Python? Indexing, why? Array is having index. What is the use of index actually? To retrieve some data. To retrieve some data. Index based only. Yes. So indexes are required to locate the particular element. Based on that, you can able to retrieve. Based on index, you can able to read. Yes, elements will be stored in particular positions. Okay, so string is sequence of ordered. String is sequence of ordered. What he is saying. So sequence of ordered elements, no? Yes, yes, yes. It is not there. It is not there. What kind of operations we can perform? No worry, no worry. Why? Because uh, you want to know that what kind of operations perform on string. Completely, you can see this. We can able to get help, help of str. Let's run this. You will get in your window only with the description. These are the string operations and purpose and the clearly description through. Sir, I don't want to get this complete information. What kind of operations I want to perform in, I can able to perform in on string. Then we can use dir directory. That means only properties and methods we can able to perform on string. These many things we can perform on string. You can say this. Okay, these I'll discuss maximum as much as. Okay, this is the way. From there only I got it. I prepared just for document for showing what kind of operations we can perform. And I'll send it, no problem at all. So this is called string indexing and string slicing. So slice means some part of the string we can get. Index means only particular character you want to get that you can use. Now coming to that string concatenation and string multiplication. Concatenation means adding two or more strings into single string is called string concatenation. Adding two or more strings into single one is called concatenation. For concatenation purpose, we use plus symbol, and multiplication means one string I want to display repeated number of times. Then we can use string multiplication. Multiplication purpose, we use star symbol. So let's do that practically. String concatenation, how it is. str1 I am using durga, str2 I am using soft. Then both the print str1 plus str2. So two strings I'm adding, not only two strings, three, four strings also I can add it. So Durga Soft. Sir, I want to give some space in between. Yes, it's possible. So str1 plus str2. So Durga Soft is there. Two strings are added here. Now directly we can able to add strings also. Like hello is one string. Okay, hello is one string. Plus hi, another string. Plus uh, how are you? If you give space in your string, that automatically will be displayed. Now like this it is coming. Oh, something wrong. Just a bit. I want to give hello plus. Now these are the multiple strings we are added. I want to give some space now. Like this. Hello, hi, welcome. Spaces also I have given clearly. It is required to be. So two or more strings we can able to add it. That is string concatenation we can say. String multiplication means any one of the string you want to repeated number of times display, then we can use string multiplication. str1 into 4 times I want to give. 4 times repeated number of times is going to display. This is multiplication. Repeated number of times one string you want to display string multiplication, and adding two or more strings into single one is called string concatenation. Now coming to the point string split and max split. Yes. We can see this string split. Sir, how it's going to be split actually here? Split is nothing but divide the string. Divide the string according to your number of parts. So max split is there. No, how many number of splits you want you can use. Max split is used to mention clearly number of splits what you want. Split is only used for only divide the characters. So in you to split the characters, to split the string, so we have to use some separator and max split. So this is what actually syntax of split actually. This is string str dot split split of separator, then max split in the sense maximum split. Suppose I have string s equals to uh, d u r g a s o f t. This is my string. Wherever the space is there, I want to split actually. So we can't apply directly operations on s dot split. Okay, for example, s dot split. Okay, separator. Then you can see max split. I'm not using directly. I'm going to use. So you can see it is nothing is happened because I have to store somewhere s1 dot split of print s1. It's going to be splitted or not? Yes, it is splitted, but you can see after splitted it is storing collection of items. Sir, all the splitted elements I want to display in one by one. So one by one, if you want to display, then we can use what? For each loop. So for each loop, how it is, for loop, how it will work. For loop is used to iterate the elements I said no previously. So how to iterate the elements, you can see this. For I in S1, then print S1, print I. So S is a Durga soft value. Here you can see Durga soft. It's going to be split one by one characters. Wherever the separator I have given no space I have given no, there it will be split. So S1 equals to S dot split. S is what? Our string. That split method will do what? Split the string. Where it will be split? In this separator. Separator means some space is there. No? Wherever the space is there, it will be going to split that completely by default. But here, after splitting, the elements will be available in where? S1. From S1 onwards, I want to read one by one string character, so I am using for loop. For I in S1, print I. So every time one by one values will be read. So that's what we got an output like this. Suppose max split is there, no? What is max split? How many number of splits you want to do, then we can do that. Suppose max splits, 4 splits only I want to do that. Four maximum splits will be occurred. Remaining things will not be occurred. You can see here T, U, R, G. 4 splits only there. Remaining string as it is, it will display no split here. This is called a string split or max split. No matter here, sir, is there any chance to split only that DURGASOFT space is there? So I want to give comma here every character after. But here, when we try to split, what happened? You can just observe. I'm using comma. Separator is comma I'm using. Yes. Let's run it. Now you can see, is that split? Nowhere it is split. Because what? In separator part, what I have given? Nothing I have given. Comma I have to give, then split. Again, 4 splits will be available. Remaining will not be available. This is called string split and max split. You have a string. You want to split complete string, or you want to split with maximum length, maximum split. Then we can use this according to separator. So is this going to be separate like this? For example, let me try that. For example, DUR Durga Soft Institute. Durga Soft Institute. 3 words are there. So is it going to be split now? Let me check out here. I'm giving space. Now you can see it's going to be split clearly. clearly split or not? Yes. Wherever the space is there, it's going to be split, and words also available here, Durga Saft. Suppose only I want to give two splits. Now same Durga Saft instead. One split I want to do that. Right. So it's going to be split clearly. So this is called string split and max split. How many number of splits you want, you can split based on separator. Now coming to the point, string capitalize. String capitalize. What capitalize method will do? So whenever we apply string capitalized method, so this method will return first character of the string will be capital letters. First character of the string will be capital letter. This method. Okay, remaining all small letters. For example, my string is there. Okay, DURGA Durga Soft. So S1 equals to S dot capitalize method I apply. Print S1, print S1. Now first character is what? Capital, remaining all small. So what happen if already given string is capital only? Nothing will happen. It's same as it is, it will be displayed. You can see this Durga Soft. What happen if given string is available in the digit format, for example? Yes, nothing will happen. Same thing only will be happen. Okay, first turn. Remaining all will be turned into capital. So what happened like this if my starting letter small and some of the letters are capital I have given wantedly. So SO, both are capital, but capitalized method will return first character of the string is capital, remaining all will be small, even though it is available into, suppose one or two characters are present in capital letters, it will turn into small letters. This is capitalized method. Simple capitalized method will return first character of the string is capital, remaining are small, small letters. Next, there is a method called title method. String title method is there, no? Title. So this title method will do what? In every word of the string. So we have a string of different words. Every word of the string, starting letter will return into capital, remaining will be small. Look at here, this title method I'll apply. S equals to Python is very easy. For example, this is my string. S1 equals to S dot title. Then print S1. So P capital, I capital, V capital, E capital. Okay. For every word, starting letter is capital in title method. But capital method will do what? Only starting letter of the string only written into capital, remaining are small. Title method will do for every word in a string, starting letter capital. So here P capital is I capital, V capital, E capital, like this one. Okay, title method will do like this one. Next, string title, string capitalized, that is the difference. Now coming to this string count, what it will do. Suppose in your string, we have substring in the sense some part of the string. How many number of times it's repeatedly, I want to know that. So then we can use count. Count method will count the substring how many number of occurrences in our string. Count method is used to count the substring from given string, whether how many number of times it is repeatedly available your substring. So simple logic, just I will show uh, substring I will decide later. First, uh, Python is object oriented programming and it is script, what you can say, high level, high level, and it is interpreted. This is my string. substring equals to, substring is, this I want to know that how many times repeatedly done. Print s dot, s dot, count, count. What is that substring? Substring I want to count. How many number of times occurrences is? 3 times. Again is, here is. Suppose substring I'm changing that it. How many number of times occurrences it? So now 2 times, 2 times only. And it is. Here it is. Here it is like this. Substring. So no need to give substring directly. So you can able to pass the substring here only. You can pass like this, whatever you want. So how many number of times occurrences you want to know that, we can use substring here. So count method is used to count the number of occurrences of the substring from given string. One part of the string, how many times repeatedly available in the string, you can able to check out by using count method. Now replace, string replace. String replace means we cannot modify that directly. We can use in other variable also. Suppose s equals to I want to what can say, it's very good, for example, or it's very bad. Print s. This is output. So I want to replace this. How to replace that? Simple. S1 equals to s dot replace of, s dot replace method of. What you want to replace? Good. Where you want to replace? Bad. You can see this, bad. Print s1, print s1, print s1. Now, oh, it's not interchange the values. Now you can see where you want to replace, what you want to replace. First one. Good. So instead of bad, it's going to be replace that. It's very good. But we are doing replace, we are modification of the string, but we are storing in other variable like. But when we try to do that, you can see print s, it's not possible. It is not modified. String is immutable. Still we have, it's very bad only. Okay. So even though when we try to modify, you have to store that into other variable s1, then print s1. It's very good like this. So it is called replacement, string replacing, we can say that. And uppercase, lowercase, it's very simple. You have a string in lowercase, it will be converted into uppercase. You have a string in uppercase, it will be converted into lowercase. Directly we can apply like, suppose my string is SAI, small case, no? I want to do uppercase. Result is what? Uppercase. So my string is what we can say, already we have uppercase letters. I want to convert it into lowercase. Then you can see lowercase. Okay, this is now join function for this. Yes, we can do that join function. So join function is the better way to what we can say, adding some extra symbols or extra characters for the given string while creating. So join function is used to join something to the string. But this is this is nothing but concatenation only, just for concatenating. So printer here, what you want to join, you have to give, I want to join colon dot join function I'm using for what? Combo HAN. This is I want to join. For every character after I want to use colon. Not only colon, some space you want to join, you can use. But how much space you want to join, that many spaces you can give. So string can be like this. And you can use any symbol, dollar symbol will be joined. So this is called join. Joining something to the string purpose we use dot join function. And string reverse is there, no? So reverse also is possible. We can able to reverse the string. How it is possible to reverse? So join using join function, I'm going to use reverse function. How it is? Reverse of reverse of this one. It's going to be reverse. Let me check out whether it will reverse or not. Reversed, that is. So like this, reversed. You can give any character SAI, say it's going to be reverse SIAS. So this is reversed only, reversed string using join function. Next, string is immutable, already I have shown, while replacement directly on my string variable it is not affected, that is string is immutable. String sort, so we can able to sort the elements. So how to sort the elements, I'll show you. For example, we have a string s equals to DURGA Durga Soft is Best Institute. Okay, Durga Soft is Best Institute is the best institute. These words I want to sort. How I can sort? First of all, I have to split. Words equals to s dot split. After split, words dot sort. After sort, for I in words, print I. That's it. So in sort order is going to display. First word is best. B is first in an alphabetic wise. It will be arranged. Durga Institute is soft the, like this. What I did, I have a string with a group of words. I have splitted that words equal to s dot split. After split function, every word is going to split by default automatically where this place is there. It will be stored in words. Then words dot sort. Sort means it will arrange the ascending or descending like this. Now for I in words. For I in means every item I want to print in words. Okay. Every item I want to print in words. For I in words, it's possible. Then print I. So words are going to be printed like this. This is called sort, string sort. We can do that. Next, string swap case is there. Swap case. Its words data type will be changed. Words is not data type. Words is going to be what we can say. It's another variable. It's not data type actually. It's another variable we are storing. After split, after sorting, we are storing in other variable. Other variable. Directly we can't do that modification in string. No, that's what I split. After that, I stored that splitted values in the list format only. Yes, undoubtedly. After split, it contains list format only. Words. From words, I want to retrieve one by one item. Now, string swap case. Swap case is nothing but if you have a string with a group of characters, some of the characters are lowercase and uppercase, all those things, then that characters will be converted into if your character is lower, it converted into upper. If your character is upper, it will convert into lower. That is called swap case. For example, here I'm applying some string. I want to maintain some D capital, small U capital, R G A S O F T like this. Then print S dot swap case. S dot swap case. So swap case is going to be converted into like this. See, otherwise let's go to print s1 equals to s dot swap case, print s, then print s1, print s1, s here, s here. Now you can see D capital, D small letter, but after swap case it is capital letter. U capital, after swap case it is small letter. R capital, small is there in our original string, it is going to be capital. Like this swap case, interchange the values. So this is swap case function in string. Next, strip, L strip, R strip, length, find, max, min, index, R index, partition, starts with, ends with, is digit, is alpha numeric, is decimal. So all those things we'll discuss in next session. Okay, these many string functions are that still we have to discuss. Okay, so the remaining we can continue list data structure, all those things clearly. So maximum almost all same functions will be repeated for every data structures. Yes, this is out of the box question. Just want to know whether, tell me, let me read your question. Yes, we have so many modules. We have to check it actually. Okay, as per your requirement, which module is required. So many modules are there. You can see you want to know the module things, whatever the modules are available, you can search that. There are thousands of libraries will be there. Settings. Say in your editor, so editor not for project interpreter. Here you can click on the plus symbol and you can see these are the modules. In this, which module as per our requirement it suits, then we have to type that. For example, I want to work with NumPy is module, so NumPy how to use pNumPy, normal NumPy like this, and I want to work with math, so math module we can like this. So modules are there, you have to install separately. After that you have to work on it according to your requirement. Okay, so module list you can check out there only. Right. So see you tomorrow at same time. We'll continue with the string data structures, more on string data structure with operation with more options are there, no? More functions we can apply. Then immediately next we'll start with the list data structure. So see you tomorrow at same time. Okay.